In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Seattle. This walkthrough is designed to be simple and stress-free, so grab your ticket and a payment card, and let's get this taken care of. First, head to the official Seattle Municipal Court website and open the Pay My Ticket page. This is the city's authorized portal, which means you're in the right place to handle your citations securely. Using the official site helps you avoid third-party fees or scams and ensures your payment is posted to the correct case. Once you're on the page, click the Pay Online button. That choice will take you to the court's secure payment system. Most Seattle traffic tickets can be handled right here, all in one go. If you're on a trusted browser and your internet connection is stable, the page should load quickly and keep your information protected. Next, enter your ticket details. You can search by your citation, also called the ticket number, or by your case number. You'll find one of these on the ticket you received or in any court notice tied to your citation. Type the number exactly as it appears. Pay attention to any letters, dashes, or leading zeros. If you're unsure, double-check the printed ticket so you don't pull up the wrong record. When your ticket loads, take a moment to review everything carefully. Confirm the violation type, the total fine, and the due date. Make sure the name on the record is yours and that the amount due matches what you expect. This quick review helps you avoid paying the wrong ticket or missing an important deadline. If something looks off, do not proceed. Go back and recheck the number you entered. If everything looks correct, it's time to pay. Enter your credit or debit card information. Visa and MasterCard are accepted. Before you finalize, note that a small processing fee, typically around $3.60, is usually added and will appear on the checkout screen. Ensure your billing address matches your card and click Submit only once to prevent duplicate charges. Finally, save your confirmation. Download or screenshot the receipt and note the confirmation number for your records. Keep it as proof of payment until you see the balance cleared. If an emailed receipt is offered, consider sending a copy to yourself for easy reference. That's it. You've gone to the official page, chosen Pay Online, entered your ticket details, reviewed the information, completed the payment, and saved your confirmation. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you resolve your ticket quickly and confidently.